What happens when a famous estate becomes a battlefield for a son and his own family? The mystery deepens with every new legal filing, each claim more shocking than the last. O.J. Simpson's legacy is no longer just about headlines. It's now a war of wills in court. In August 2022, a company named Primary Holdings, LLC purchased O.J.'s iconic house while he still lived there. Who owns that property? The answer isn't as clear-cut as the deed suggests. The attorney handling the estate, Malcolm Laverne, is suing the very firm that bought the home. He says Primary Holdings was created by Justin Simpson, the son of O.J. and Nicole Brown Simpson. Justin's claim? He owns the house because his company purchased it. But Malcolm argues otherwise. The property never left the estate, even after its sale. The crux of the dispute is whether the house should belong to the estate or to a private entity. If it stays with the estate, creditors could claim the valuable assets to pay debts. If it transfers to Justin, the estate loses a significant piece of its value. Malcolm alleges that O.J. never intended to separate the home from his estate. He further claims that O.J. himself continued making payments on the property after Primary Holdings took ownership. Why would O.J. keep paying if he no longer owned it? The lawyer's accusation points to a hidden motive: shielding assets from creditors. Justin, meanwhile, refuses to vacate the house or repay any alleged debts owed by his father. He insists that because he owns Primary Holdings, the property is legally his. Yet O.J.'s will never granted Justin exclusive rights to the house. In fact, the will made it clear that the estate should control all of O.J.'s assets. Justin's continued residency raises more questions about family dynamics and legal strategy. The lawsuit filed by Malcolm is a direct challenge to Justin's claim. It also calls into question whether the estate can legally enforce repayment from him. The case has sparked curiosity among fans who followed O.J.'s life for decades. They now wonder, what hidden motives lie beneath the surface of this legal battle? O.J. died in April 2024 after a prolonged fight with prostate cancer, leaving behind a complex legacy. In the months that followed, his estate began auctioning items to pay creditors, even selling personal effects like his prison collection. These sales show how serious the financial pressures are on the estate. Now, the house, an iconic symbol of O.J.'s life, has become the center of a contentious legal struggle. The estate's administrator claims that the property should remain under estate control to protect its value. If the court sides with Malcolm, it could force Justin to relinquish his home and repay debts. But if the court sides with Justin, the estate may lose a valuable asset entirely. The stakes are high for both parties. One side seeks justice, the other clings to family inheritance. So what is the truth behind this fight over a house? Will the courts uncover a hidden scheme to shield assets from creditors? Or will it be revealed that the property was rightfully part of O.J.'s estate all along? The final decision will answer the lingering question: who truly owns O.J. Simpson's legacy? Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more updates.